news today. Long-standing Douglas County employer FCC Commercial Furniture reports bringing on new brands and initiatives in the coming year. Some brands they will be focusing on in the new year are Subway, Carl's Jr., Tim Hortons, and an exciting new decor and graphics package with Burger King. With all their hard work, they filled over 3,300 orders this year and continue to serve over 20 different restaurant brands. Impressive, Veronica. They've been in business for over 53 years and recently had a special and super exclusive employee-only party at the new In-N-Out to celebrate the new store opening. So exciting for this community.
They really are doing amazing work at FCC. Founded by the Crow family back in 1967 and based on an inventive spirit, FCC really does care about their employees. They have expanded their staff and hired over 36 new employees this year. And you know who you are, you yahoos out there. Welcome to the family, you crazy bunch. You know, Ron, I hear it's the employees that really make the difference. They're an incredible group of hardworking and very talented people who care about each other and the work that they do. And they have great barbecues and picnics. This year alone, they've cooked up over 720 burgers, 320 hot dogs, 32 pounds of cheese, and over 1,200 slices of bacon.
Oh, Veronica, you're making me hungry. You didn't even mention dessert. The employees ate over 4,000 ice cream bars this year.
That is impressive.
Well, from all of us at Channel 4 News, I'm Ron Burgundy. You stay classy, Douglas County.
And thanks for stopping by.
But mainly, stay classy.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay classy. I'm Ron Burgundy.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay classy.
Thanks for stopping by.
Christmas present from a very dear friend of mine.
Look, Daddy, teacher says every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings.
That's right. That's right. Attaboy, Clarence.
Give me some more chips. Oh.
You're full of beans and so's your old man. Oh, yeah? Yeah! Says who? Says me! Oh, yeah? Yeah! I double dare you.
The exact exchange and nuance of phrase in this ritual is very important.
Huh, are you kidding? Stick my tongue to that stupid pole, that's dumb. That's 'cause you know it'll stick. You're full of it. Oh, yeah? Yeah! Well, I double dog dare you.
Now it was serious. A double dog dare. What else was left but a triple dare you? And finally, the coup de grace of all dares, the sinister triple dog dare.
I triple dog dare you.
Schwartz created a slight breach of etiquette by skipping the triple dare and going right for the throat.
All right, all right. Come on, Karen. Well, go on, smartass, and do it. I'm going.
Flick's spine stiffened, his lips curled in a defiant sneer. There was no going back now.
This is nuts. Duck, 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 duck!
Dad.
Give you the last beer if you lick the inside of the freezer.
That's a deal.
Dumbass. Let's go.
Ralphie, you're waiting. Oh, come on, Mom. Right now.
Immediately, my feet began to sweat as those two fluffy little bunnies with the blue button eyes stared sappily up at me.
Come down here so I can see you better.
I just hoped that Flick would never spot him, as the word of this humiliation could easily make life at Warren G. Harding School a veritable hell.
Oh, isn't that cute? That is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life.
He looks like a deranged Easter bunny.
He does not.
He does, too. He looks like a pink nightmare. Are you happy wearing that? Do you want to take it off? Tell the kid to take it off.
All right, you'll only wear it when Aunt Clara visits. Go on and take it off.
Take it off!
Clara visits. Go on and take it off.
Take it off!
Wow! What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Make work your favorite. That's your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Work is your new favorite.
Fine.
It's time for the announcement.
Okay.
Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Oh my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
He'll be here to take pictures with all the children.
Yeah.
Just keep your receipts. 10 a.m. tomorrow.
10 a.m. tomorrow.
Santa's coming to town.
Yes.
Can you sign this for me?
Oh, hi. Santa's coming. Hi.
Over there. Hi, Ralphie.
I plan out our whole day. First we'll make snow angels for 2 hours, and then we'll go ice skating, and then we'll eat a whole roll of Toll House cookie dough as fast as we can, and then, to finish, we'll snuggle.
I've got to go to work, buddy. Oh, and another thing, if you're going to be staying here, you should think about, getting rid of the costume.
But I've worn this my whole life.
You're not in the North Pole any longer. Look, you want to make me happy, don't you?
More than anything.
Then lose the tights. I mean, as soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
Okay.
I almost forgot my...
And then I traveled through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest, past the sea of swirly, twirly gumdrops, and then I walked through the Lincoln Tunnel.
So where were you for the last 30 years?
The North Pole.
Can you pass the maple syrup, please?
I didn't put... It's spaghetti.
You know what? I think I have something. Yes.
You like sugar, huh?
Is there sugar in syrup?
Yes.
Then yes! We elves try to stick to the 4 main food groups. Candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup.
So, will you be staying with us then?
You mean I can stay?
Of course you can.
Emily.
How long do you think you'll be with us?
I hadn't really planned it out, but I was thinking like forever.
Emily, can I just speak to you for a minute in the kitchen, please?
Did you hear that?
You are so weird.
Aren't you having any breakfast?
I'm not in the mood.
What are you looking at?
Oh, the silent majesty of a winter's morn, the clean, cool chill of the holiday air, and an asshole in his bathrobe emptying a chemical toilet into my sewer.
Shitter was full!
Ah, yeah. You checked our shitters, honey?
Clark, please. He doesn't know any better.
You ought to know it's illegal. It's a storm sewer. If it fills with gas, I pity the person who lights a match within 10 yards of it.
Merry Christmas! Shitter was full!
Shitter's full!
How could it be so? It came without ribbons. It came without tags. It came without packages, boxes, or bags.
And he puzzled and puzzled till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas,
he thought,
doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more.
And what happened then? Well, in Whoville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
What's happening to me?
Do you really think you have a chance against us, Mr. Cowboy?
Yippee-ki-yay, mother...
Now that was a Christmas classic.
Shit yeah!